Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are just waking up to an entirely new view because we get new views on the daily at Lake Lure 2018. This is morning 4, Tuesday morning. All right, so let's go upstairs and see what the crew is up to. Good morning, what's everybody up to? Awesome. That's what we do in Lake Lure. John Piper about hell. What is August Roselle Hewlett up to?
Looking at availability here at Lake Lure in April.
Nice.
See, I'm being.
You know what? That's a pretty good idea.
I don't know where Stonecrest is.
I don't know where Bald is. Definitely got a little bit of rain going on. This just in, we have the first sighting of Bald today. It's clearing up. It's clearing up in the neighborhood, and it's low, looking so beautiful you wish you could get outside, but hey, you can. So here we go. Let's go outside, man. Yeah, maybe we'll run into a guy named Dan. I don't care, and I don't understand why I keep singing. This song is so dumb. It doesn't matter. I still have two thumbs. Yes, yes, y'all. We have got some blue skies popping up. It's been raining, nasty, cloudy, awesome all morning. And now we're getting some blue skies. You see that? You see what I'm talking about? And me and Mom are about to go on a walk. Let's get an update on how August feels about that recliner. Wow. No doubt. Nature is calling, and I will answer. All right, check it, 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 to wreck it. Wow. Check it, to wreck it. Wow. Check it, check it, check it, check it, to wreck it. All right, we're about to go on a walk, and August is gonna stay here.
Wow.
We're gonna have a blast and just soak all this in, and she's gonna have a blast and soak all that in.
Wow.
What is a wow upside down?
Wow.
What's a wow upside down? Man, it's so pretty out here. Anything I say is prettier. Look at that. Would you just look at that? You can tell I got my glasses on. Just look at that. Are you watching the video?
Yes.
Sweet. This will be a cool clip.
Lake Lure, I'm looking around to see who's looking at me when I'm looking at you. Who's looking at me when I'm looking at you? Lake Lure. So that means I'm super stoked.
I just got copyrighted by YouTube for this beat. Yeah, they send me nice emails.
Wow, you're going so fast. Why does your helmet never move? Out for a walk, or? Yes, we are.
Heck yeah. Oh, cute guy, just a cute one.
Just 200 or 300 pounds.
You said you're ready to go. Obviously I'm faster and stronger and younger, so what I would do is snap your neck for you.
Oh, snap.
Real quick before I ran away. So it'd be the quickest, fastest death ever.
Oh, snap.
In doing so, you'd be saving your son's life.
Oh, snap.
Best way to die.
Oh, snap.
Quick, happy. You're 70 years old.
Oh, snap.
And your 41-year-old son lives on.
To a bear.
Your 41-year-old son who is looking for opportunities to sacrifice his life too. But it doesn't make sense for a 70-year-old. Right? I mean, should I?
Should I?
If a bear comes, should I give my life for yours or should you give yours for me?
You should give your life for your mother.
Oh snap.
I would. kind of makes sense more or less for the 70-year-old to go for the 41-year-old to remain.
Oh snap.
You got a lot more years.
Oh snap.
Be the best way for you to stand before God.
Oh snap.
But the bear part is the rough part, but if I took care of that, I'd have to kill the bear, I guess. Ooh, see, there's some sun on that mountain up there. Oh, and there's a blue sky. What?
Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty?
So pretty. Come on, man. I mean, come on. What do you got to say about that? What do you got? Wow. How you like me now? How you like me now?
Oh snap.
Nice. Look at you.
Let's go this way. Easiest way I could get it to move.
Oh my gosh. Come out here and walk. I'm telling you, it's pretty over here. Trust me, when you're here and you're outside, it's a no-lose situation. Scene location, that is legit. I'm gonna get a selfie of us getting a selfie. What's up? Just scene location, dirty dancing, shoot, smile. I couldn't believe you went down that so easy. Oh, get. Come on, girl. Janice, get over here. Happy birthday, I love you.
It's not happy birthday. It's hallelujah that walks over.
Not yet, we got one more hill. I was like, whoa.
Call Tori, tell him to get the bear.
Call Tori and tell him to go outside and see if the bear's outside.
Oh snap.
Oh, yeah. Keep on talking. Keep on being mean. All right, 7 years old. She's... All right, so we just had an amazing walk. This place is blowing up so hard that my battery is dead on the GoPro.
Wow. Oh snap.
Turned out to be an incredible, super amazing, super beautiful day. No doubt. All right, for dinner tonight, we are rocking some asparagus, some chicken, and some potatoes. And we are eating it where?
Out on the deck.
Come on now, and what do we got to say about that?
Wow. Oh snap.
You got that right.